Hello everyone, welcome back. Another episode of Building with Bufus. So today we are out here in the middle of the woods, and as you noticed, it was quite a project for us to get in here. So that was the trail that that we had to come down, and I haven't been back in here since last fall, last hunting season. So we're going to do some clearing in here today. So you see, you've got a little bit of a clearing here. This is been kind of a makeshift food plot, and I'm now going to clear this out bigger. I want to make this quite a bit bigger, and I got some trees coming. We want to plant some trees here, and different kind of apple trees, chestnuts, things like that, and wanted to be away from everything else that's going on in the woods here, down in the back here ways. So we're gonna see if this is the right place to do that. So some of this ground is pretty rocky, so what we're going to try to find out is this a good enough spot to put these trees, plant these trees, and build this, make this into a bigger, like a small field basically. So if this isn't going to work, then we've got to find a different spot. So we're going to put the old trusty John Deere, which you could see as we were coming in, good old trusty John Deere 3039, and we got the 385A Backhoe on today, and we're going to give this baby a workout today and see how it does, and see if it will do what it was meant for. I already know it will, but we'll put it through its paces a little bit today. So, excited to do this. I think this is going to be great. If nothing else, we're going to have fun being out in the woods. So, here we go. everyone. So this is what we got done so far. You can see we've scraped all this. Kind of looks like a mess right now, don't it? But a lot of rocks here. You can see you got some big huge rocks all along this. This is where I'm dumping everything. But just kind of scraping along here to see what's in here, see what the actual soil is and if it's any good or not. But this is where it's really good over here, because this is where the trees were. We got to clear this, but we're probably not going to get to all that today. But what we are going to get to is this. This is next. This is a big old maple stump that I cut the maple from. It's been a few years now. Cut it for firewood. So we're going to see if the old trusty John Deere 385A Backhoe can dig that stump out. So we'll see what happens. Hey everybody, so we moved around. You see the stumps over here. We were on that side. See, we got it dug all the way around there. So we're going to try to dig this up and see if it will come out. That's a pretty deep root ball though in the bottom of it there, and that's a big maple stump. So I don't know if she'll handle it or not, but we're going to try this a little bit here and then see what happens. That is one heavy stump. Now granted, this is not a big huge excavator or nothing like that, so for that backhoe, that is one heck of a big stump. But we got it out. So I'm gonna have to cut that off so that it's smaller, and then I'm probably going to have to turn around and use the front grapple to pick that up and get it off, set it off to the side. And then I'm going to have to use all this stuff to fill that hole in. John Deere 1, stump 0. We did it. So I think we did a pretty good job today. If you look, there's the big stump. I cut it off, flipped it up over. It's it's really heavy. So, and then I had to clear this, push this out of the way so that I could get out back around and get back out. Get the old trusty John Deere back over here to the trail to head out. Because we are out of time. So, next time, we'll clean up more of these rocks, move that stump, and we're going to start heading right that way and clearing that way and clearing those small trees and that hemlock and all that other. So, but for now, that's it. So, until the next episode, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for stopping in. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.